Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The UK is having a heat wave at the moment, so if you notice beads of sweat going down my face, it's because I'm incredibly hot. We're not able to handle the heat in the UK because we don't have aircon. Like, air conditioning in houses or buildings or whatever is not standard because it never gets that hot. But now we're having a heat wave and we're all cooking. We bought a new fan, so we've got two fans now, so when we go to sleep we have like two fans facing at us, just so we're nice and cool. But yeah, random rant. So today is quite a requested video because I picked these up the other week. They've been out for a while now, and if you've clicked this video you've seen it's for the Balenciaga Xpander Sneakers that I picked up recently. Basically they are a new sneaker from Balenciaga, and they have a kind of mechanism at the back that's kind of like a spring, I want to say. So they first got revealed in the summer 21 collection. They put like a lookbook on their Instagram, I'll show you here, of all the new pieces, and then the sneakers I noticed straight away and I was like, what are they? They look really, really cool. I was just very interested to hear more and see more about them. Finally, obviously summer 21 is here, so they got released and it was revealed that they're called the Xpander sneaker. This is the first kind of colorway that I saw from the show. I saw like the grey ones and the yellow ones, and I think they're just a very intriguing, like interesting sneaker. So on the website it says men's Xpander sneaker in white, so you get men's and women's sizes. The product details are leather free, mesh and nylon sneaker, worn out effect, and I got the white pair and it's pretty obvious that they are meant to have like a worn out effect because they look used. But I quite like that about sneakers. Like, my Balenciaga track sneakers look so used, and I love that kind of aesthetic. Suspended heel design, 40mm arch, embroidered sides at the back, front sporty Balenciaga logo, and they are rather expensive for sneakers. They are £975. I think the Triple S when they first came out were they £495, £595? Quite a lot, or even 700. They're quite a lot, but 975 is obviously a lot more. Like, that's basically 1,000. And because I was so intrigued and interested in the sneakers, I picked up the white pair. So here is the box that they come in. And then inside, I thought this was a really nice touch. Like, usually they just come with like a cloth dust bag, but the Xpanders come with this kind of like Balenciaga logo drawstring bag, which is actually very, very handy for just like going out and about if you don't want to take a massive backpack. So yeah, I thought that was a really nice touch. And then here we have the reveal. This is the shoe here. Like, that would be the regular sneaker, which I think is a really, really nice design in itself. Obviously then you add the Xpander sole, which is this kind of like plastic spring-boarded piece. Oh, by the way, I wore them. I put them back in the box to show you like the unboxing, but I have worn these and tested these on the streets, which is what we'll be getting to in a minute. So yeah, the design is very, very intriguing because yeah, you have like the typical shoe on the top and then you have this kind of plastic mechanism underneath. My first thought was that when you put the shoe on, it would literally close entirely and kind of open and close as you walk. And I was like, well, what the f does that feel like? But that is not the case. This mechanism hardly moves at all. It does have a little bit of movement when you walk, but nothing like I thought it would. Like, I thought it would literally be like... They've got the sizing on the back of these. Like, the Triple S used to have the sizing on the front, but now these have it on the back. Like, they're just a regular sneaker size because the Triple S was so chunky. I feel like they've gone, instead of going outwards like the Triple S, these have gone upwards, if you know what I mean. All the design details on the actual shoe itself are really, really nice. I love this color. It's kind of like an off-white with these like pure white accents as well. Obviously none of it's leather, so it's all plastic or nylon. I sized down because what I learned with Balenciaga is that they are a little oversized. I think I'm an 8.5, so I went to an 8, and these are absolutely perfect. So I went out and about the other day and I documented my time out wearing them. So here's me testing the Balenciaga Xpanders. Okay guys, so I'm at Oxford Circus. Oh wait, I'm wearing my headphones. Let me take them off. Okay guys, I'm in Central, I'm at Oxford Circus, and I'm definitely walking a lot slower than I normally am. They are super comfy, but it's gonna take some getting used to walking in them for sure. Basically, like, every step you take has a little tiny spring in it, so it's not like a massive thing, but it's like weird. It is weird. Stairs are the worst. Going downstairs is the worst so far. Just at one of the tube stations done, I was going down them like this. I felt like Rachel from Love Island. I don't watch Love Island, but I've seen the memes. Sorry, Rachel. But yeah, I'm sure with more practice, I'll get used to it. I'm gonna grab some lunch now before I go to get my eyelashes done. Hello guys, I just had my lashes done by Debbie at Nouveau Lashes and I'm so happy, honestly. I usually use an eyelash curler, so now I don't have to use an eyelash curler, which is amazing. Can you see? But yeah, I'm gonna go get a coffee and I've got my laptop because I have stuff that I need to do for Arcana and some other bits of content that I need to get approved from different brands. But yeah, I will chat to you in a bit. Still going strong in the expanders. Feel a bit more confident in them now by what? It's been like 4 hours in them. Hey guys, I've done all the bits I needed to do on my laptop, so I'm heading to meet Tom and Dom for dinner now. I wonder what they'll make of these sneakers. Don't know if you saw guys, but that was downhill. That was tough. After I had dinner with Tom and Dom, I don't think I filmed anything afterwards, but my conclusion is that they take a while to get used to. They are comfortable, they're like a comfortable shoe. Going downstairs was the most difficult because it felt weird. After a whole day of wearing them, I was definitely used to them. I wore them the next day as well and they were absolutely fine. They look a bit strange with socks, and shorts. So if you're wearing shorts and socks, that looks a bit strange with them. I don't know why. So I went with little trainer socks. The ones that are like hidden, like invisible trainer socks. And I think they do look really nice with a long pant or a long jean as well. Because I tried them with a few different things at home too. The white colorway is definitely my favorite, but there are a few different color options. They've just brought out like a gray and blue one as well, which looks really cool. Balenciaga actually have another sneaker releasing literally this week or next week, and it's just called the Balenciaga Runner, and that was it from one of the more recent shows, and I'm so excited for that as well. So hopefully I can pick up a pair of those and test them out for you guys as well. But these are a really cool design and a very interesting piece. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys think of the Balenciaga Xpander sneaker. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching guys, bye.